Adverbs. Adverbs add meaning to verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Here's a verb. Remember, a verb is a doing, being, or having word. The verb is hops. The frog hops. We can use an adverb to add meaning to this verb. Here's our adverb robot holding an adverb we can use. We can say the frog hops quickly. Quickly is an adverb. It's adding meaning to the verb hops. The robot has an addition sign on its chest to remind you that adverbs add meaning. Adverbs describe how, when, or where something happens. It's describing how the frog is doing the verb. He's hopping quickly, rather than slowly. It's telling us more about the verb. In the sentence, he still smells great, smells is the verb. Still is the adverb. It's adding meaning to the verb and telling us when something happens. In the sentence, sometimes I eat eggs, eat is the verb, and sometimes is the adverb. It's describing again when the person eats eggs. In the sentence, she waited here, the verb is waited. Here is the adverb. It's telling you where she waited. So, we know that adverbs add meaning to verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They describe how, when, or where something happens. Many adverbs end in ly, but it is not true that adverbs only end in ly. For example, everywhere, yesterday, and enough can be adverbs even though they don't end with ly. Family, deadly, and butterfly all end in ly, but they are not adverbs. Now it's your turn. The happy parrot sang loudly. What is the adverb in this sentence? Pause the video if you need some time to think. The adverb is loudly. It's describing how the parrot sings. Have another turn. I rarely see butterflies. What is the adverb in this sentence? The adverb is rarely. It's describing how often a person sees butterflies. This is the last one. Alex played football outside. What is the adverb? Outside is the adverb. It's telling you where Alex is playing football. Remember, adverbs add meaning to verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They describe how, when, or where something happens. This is the verb robot. Remember, a verb is a doing, being, or having word.